Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making muffins. Muffins.
All right. What kind of muffins?
I strawberry. I like
Strawberry cheesecake.
Yes, strawberry
Yeah.
cheesecake.
And another one.
Another one. And just regular.
Banana nut.
Banana nuts.
Put him down, please.
So I'm going with this one first.
Which one?
I wanted this one.
Okay. So let's open up.
Okay. Open.
No. Wait. You gotta open with the scissors. Just hold it all open up, please.
Surprise. That was
Hold it. All right. It's okay.
Ah, it smells
Okay.
so good. Now we're gonna pour it in here, all of it.
Out.
Whoa.
Then you're gonna mix it together. Okay, get your fork.
What?
And mix it really good
I
until
thought we need a spoon.
no, mix it really good. Mixing up, keep mixing it. Keep mixing it until it's done. The cat is not bothering you. Da 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 da. Mixing.
Ew.
Mix it, baby, really good. The whole thing needs to be mixed.
Ew, look at that.
Yeah. Make sure the edges are mixed too. Yep, like this. Get all the edges.
It's falling.
Well, just slowly. You have to do it slowly, baby. There you go. Now keep mixing it. Keep mixing it, baby.
Oh, it looks so good.
Keep mixing it
I'm
up.
hungry now.
Oh, it's gonna be a
Me
good
I smell
muffins. Keep mixing it
It
up.
smells like oatmeal.
All this needs to be mixed.
Look.
Nothing had to be left. Keep her mixing all the edges, baby.
Ooh, look at
Oh
that.
no. Keep mixing.
Look.
Here, let me see. Mixing it up, all the edges.
I don't know how to mix like
I'll do it better. Come on. Let me get all this.
Is the edges of mine good? Anything's possible. I want to do it. See?
You gotta put the spoon first and do it inside.
Am I doing it?
No, yeah, but not too. Keep mixing it, babe. Can I fix this, please?
Am I doing it?
Yeah, buddy.
Make sure you get it go in there. Oh, oops. Come on. Pancake.
That's the muffins, gonna be muffins. Mix it up.
I thought we were gonna make pancakes with these.
No, baby, muffins. Okay, mixing it up. So you're done mixing it. That's
Look,
good.
there's a long
Yeah.
fork now.
Oh no. What we're doing next is we're going to spray those little things.
Stay away. Spray the muffin batter.
No, not the batter, baby. Those little holes. Yeah. Come closer. Come over here.
And oh, you open.
And we're spraying.
We're gonna make 6.
So they won't be sticking to the bottom. Okay, baby, you done. This way. you better. Alright. So what we're doing next. Okay, so wait. Get your spoons now. It'll be a lot easier for y'all.
They're only big spoons, so let's
That's
use
good.
the
That's good. Okay, get your trays. Get your trays. First, spin back a little bit that way. Get your trays and put batter in the pockets.
In a pocket, like in their pocket?
Like this. Alright.
Like that?
Yeah, keep on doing it. Get closer so you won't make a mini mess. There we go.
Look!
How you doing? Muffin's gonna be awesome.
Is that good?
Yeah, baby, keep on doing it. Okay, next one.
I don't want mine to be too big.
No, you don't have to. You gotta put some more on the next one. Let me start for you.
Yeah, make it louder. So got my first one done.
Okay, good job. I'm gonna start and you're gonna finish it up, Ariel. Okay?
I want to turn it around
Turn around.
like that so I can.
Okay, finish it up, girl. How you doing?
Good.
Oh, that's a banana nut muffin's gonna be. Yes. Just like that. All right. Okay, good job. You can turn the tray around on this side. So you have a room. There you go.
I am on my fourth one.
Yeah, good job. Okay. Keep on doing that. Good, good. Keep on putting
Now
it.
I just only have
On
one
this-
more.
Yeah, like that.
We got another tray under here.
No, baby. Go put it in. You gotta use it all, baby. It's gonna be a nice, good, big muffins.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job. What are you doing, Ariel? Good job, baby. Good job. Okay,
You can
that's
even
good.
smell it.
Smells good, isn't it? All right, so
I
now
love strawberry. That's
we-
my favorite.
we are waiting on oven to preheat to 400 degrees. While it's preheating, you can go sit down and play a little bit, and then we put it in the oven when it's done, okay? Okay, so guys, tell me about this video today. What did you learn today about this video? Huh? Did you learn how to make strawberry muffins today?
Yeah. Yeah, but they're not even cooked.
They haven't got cooked yet, that's right. So we're gonna put the muffins in the oven pretty soon.
Strawberry is my favorite kind of all.
Really?
This is Panda.
Uh-huh.
My favorite character in Disney is Ariel.
Yep. What are you doing, Paris? All right. Oh,
Hey guys, it's finished. So we're gonna test it out to see if it's good.
Okay, so you got the strawberry and you got the banana muffin.
Okay, let's taste it.
Test it out. What do y'all think about your muffins?
Good. I want to eat everything else.
Okay. You like it? That's good. What does it taste like?
It tastes like
Alexa,
strawberry
stop. Okay.
It tastes like strawberry muffins.
Okay. And what does your taste like?
Banana.
Banana? You like it? Mm-hmm. Yummy,
I'm
yummy.
gonna try sissies.
You will later. Let's finish this one up. All right, guys. So we learned how to make muffins, and they taste are amazing, right? So okay, we learned how to make our muffins. That's awesome. But for right now, we're going to enjoy those muffins. But please don't forget to subscribe us. And if you have any questions, please don't be afraid to ask us. Bye.